Hi all, today I'm preparing pounded yam 3 ways. The first way will be with a yam pounding machine, the second way will be with a food processor, and the third way will be with pounded yam flour. The first thing I'm going to do for the yam pounding machine is to dice the yam. And how I do this is to slice the yam, peel it, and then slice it. You can use a whole yam for this process. I've now placed the diced yam into the pounded yam machine, and the beauty of this machine is that it steams the yam and then it pounds the yam. Now how the machine works is that you turn it to cook and the yam will steam for approximately 25 minutes, then you'll hear a high-pitched sound, and when that happens you then turn the knob dial from cook to pound, and it pounds for about 2 minutes. The alarm has gone off on the yam pounding machine, and what this is telling me is that the yam has now steamed and is ready to pound. And in order to do that, you just take the dial from off to pound for 2 minutes. The pounded yam is now ready. It was pounding for 2 minutes and you have to manually turn it to off. And remember, this was made with fresh yam from scratch. Beautiful. Take a look at that. To make the pounded yam with the pounded yam flour, you put roughly 2 cups of water. Really depends on how many people you're cooking for, but I'm going to put 2 cups of water. This should feed 2. And then you take the pounded yam and you start stirring it into the boiling hot water. And you stir it until you get a thick consistency. And then when you get to this stage, you can now start to pound the yam with your wooden spoon. Once you get the pounded yam to this consistency, a nice doughy consistency, it still needs to be steamed a little more. You get the hot water and you just cover it a little with hot water. Not too much, just a little so it covers the pounded yam. Cover it with cling film. And then pop it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. The pounded yam, made with the pounded yam flour, has been in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. I'm now going to remove the cling film. Be careful of the steam. It now needs to be pounded again so that it is smooth to eat. The pounded yam is now ready to be plated. Now you can either serve it like this. However, my preference is to wrap it in cling film and to roll it up nicely so that it looks neat. Now the third way, as mentioned earlier, of making pounded yam is using a food processor. Now I've steamed the yam in a steamer, but you can just boil it, in a standard pot. And I'm now going to transfer the yam to the food processor, and the blade I'm going to use is the chopping blade. I'm now going to blend the steamed yam. Be handy if I could turn it on. Now here we have it, guys, better pounded yam. Now this has been blending for about 2 minutes, I'd say, but what you're looking for is a nice, you know, doughy consistency. Now we've gone through the 3 ways. We've gone through this way, the food processor way. We've gone through the pounded yam machine way, using yam straight from raw, steamed and pounded in the same machine. That's my personal favourite. And we've also used the pounded yam flour, which is a favourite for a lot of people. But you just eat whichever one you prefer. And there you have it. Better pounded yam. Food is ready, you.